Welcome to your daily weather briefing for South Texas. Today is Friday, September 13th, 2013. Here are your weather headlines for the week ahead. Expect isolated showers and a few thunderstorms today, then increasing swells, rip currents, and some minor coastal flooding from this tropical depression in the western Gulf of Mexico. The threat of heavy rain will increase over South Texas late this weekend through the middle of next week as this tropical depression, which is forecast to become a tropical storm, moves into northeast Mexico. Here's the latest satellite image which shows this tropical depression in the southern Bay of Campeche. It was nearly stationary overnight and is expected to remain nearly stationary for the next day or so, but then eventually will take a turn to the north-northwest, making landfall somewhere in northeast Mexico late this weekend. You can see here also dry air, which resides over the coastal Bend region, will be replaced with this deep tropical moisture late Saturday into Sunday. The computer track models all are fairly consistent in showing that this depression, which is expected to become a tropical storm, moving into northeast Mexico. In fact, there are no track models that show this moving into South Texas. The official forecast from the National Hurricane Center shows that the system will remain stationary over the next day or so and then begin that northwest motion, but landfall again anywhere in northeast Mexico, possibly even deep South Texas, late this weekend into early next week. So we'll need to keep a close watch on the tropics. So the forecast for today, expect only isolated showers and thunderstorms today and early Saturday, with temperatures warming back into the low to mid-90s. Then moisture really increases Saturday night and Sunday, and the rains will begin again. In fact, the 5-day to 7-day rainfall forecast shows another 2 to 4 inches pretty widespread over the coastal Bend and brush country, with up to 5 to maybe 7 inches or more possible over the southern portions of the coastal Bend and even out toward Laredo. So that means there'll be a potential for some street flooding and maybe some rises on area creeks, streams, and rivers, so you'll want to pay close attention to the weather forecast late this weekend and early next week. If you're going to the beach, be very careful. There's a high risk for dangerous rip currents through the weekend. For preparedness information, go right to our website, and here is a link to the hurricane guide. It will help you prepare for the hurricane season. It's not over yet. We still have another 3 to 4 weeks of potential hurricane activity here in the western Gulf of Mexico. That concludes our daily weather briefing. Thanks for watching and have a great day.